In this very quick video guide, I want to show you a plugin for WordPress that is going to optimize your images. So it's going to reduce the size and it's going to make your pages load faster. So you're going to have an optimized website and visitors will be happier and everything will go better. So the plugin in this case, it's called, well, let's go in the plugin page and click Add New. And then you can search for the plugin called ewww and press enter. And this is the one, it's one of the most diffuse and also recognized. So this one here, I've already installed it, but you can click on install now. And when it's finished, you can activate it by clicking on activate. Now, once you do that, you will find the plugin in the settings and go to the ewww image optimizer. So I'm going to open this into another page. And there you go. This is the, let's say the dashboard, but in the beginning, it's going to ask you to do some like a wizard operations. So it's going to ask you basically if you want to remove metadata, resize images, lazy load, and so on. So here is where you can also resize. And in this case, I am using another tool, which is called Insanity, which we talked about into another video. And this is to actually resize. You can also resize from here, but right now I'm using this one. And for this one here, instead, I'm gonna use other compression settings. So let's save the changes here. Okay, and you can go here and go to the bulk optimizer. So right click, I'm gonna open this into another page. And there you go. So you can scan for unoptimized images, and when you're finished scanning, you can run the optimization process. Everything is so easy, fast, and simple. And when you finish, you're gonna have all the images optimized. Also, you have it from here, so media, bulk optimize. And if you want to select not all the images, but only certain images, you can go directly in the library. And from here, you can select the image that you want to optimize, go to bulk actions and select bulk optimize. And then you click apply and it's gonna optimize only the images that you have selected. So this is a really simple tool, again, really easy to use, and it's gonna hopefully make your website better, but you can of course then run some tests and check it out. So this will be all for this video guide. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please support us by joining the channel or just subscribing, and see you in the next video.